Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we shall conduct the Bala AI or chatbots review. So you are on the official website of Trustpilot. Here it's rated 4.0. 4.0 is great. It isn't bad, but it's also great. As you can see, it's great. So this means people have been liking it. So let's quickly go through some of the comments and reviews by some people. The first person says, this person is called Adria. The person says, bad customer service. Last year I got yearly package. After some time, I actually figured out I have no use for this tool. And as you can see, this one rates it as 1 star. And then another person is called Matthias Laurent. Matthias Laurent says, our family businesses needed the email campaigns and customers are already good. So this one is pleased with it. We also have Ali Oxy. 2 days back, Ali Oxy said, we held a virtual open house and needed to follow up messages that didn't feel generic, but we were assisted. So this one gives it 5 stars. So guys, as you can see, most of the comments here, most of the reviews are 5-star reviews. So this means you can give it a try. The chatbots and Bala AI are worth giving a try. So according to me, it's excellent.